Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 87. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find maximum information regarding part 87 and up to part 86. So let us see what exactly in this part 87 we have. Western Ghats are regarded as the ecological hotspot. Please remember, guys, whatever the Western Ghats we have, they are the ecological hotspot. The river most mentioned in early Vedic literature is Sindhu is the river which is mentioned in the early Vedic literature. The important crop of the Barak Valley. So we knew that we are the maximum production of tea we export maximum. We will find maximum tea in the Darjeeling as well as Assam area. So here Barak Valley is concerning to what? That is concerning to the tea. The Saiva sect in ancient India, that is Maya Mata. So please remember what are the Saiva sect during the time of ancient India, that is Maya Mata. B.R. Ambedkar was elected to the Constituency Assembly from the Bombay Presidency. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who had been chosen and elected as a Constituent Assembly member and the chairman, that is from which presidency? From the Bombay Presidency. The Pak Bay lies between Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal. We knew that whatever the Pak Strait which is located between the Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal, that is you will find near to Sri Lanka. The parts of the sunlight makes the solar cooker hot. We knew that whatever the solar cooker we have, that they uses infrared rays from the sunlight and the solar cooker gets heated, then you will have the good food. As you can see to the right side how exactly it has been done. Next we have the following gases makes the major portion of air. We knew that in the air we have the maximum nitrogen content near about whatever the 78 point something, so you can directly go through what are the percentage we have. Next we have the most discussed Vora committee report is related to what? That is related to criminalization of politics in India. That is the main discussed Vora committee, that is related to the criminalization of politics in India. Next we have the nature of saliva is which type? Saliva little bit basic type. You can see how exactly the chart of the potential of hydrogen, that is pH values. Saliva is between 6.5 to 7.5. So it is basic type. Next we have in the stomach we have got the 4 to 6.5. Lower stomach as you can see 1.5 to 4. Duodenum as you can see again basic type. Next we have small intestine and the largest intestine. What exactly you will find? Please go through this figure. The best soil for healthy and vigorous growth of most of the plants is Ayam. So this is what exactly best soil for healthy and vigorous growth of most plants, that is loam. Next we have the sometimes a branch of the plant is bent towards the ground and covered with moist soil. When new roots emerge, the plantlets are separated from the parent plant. It is known as budding. What exactly the budding is? Sometimes a branch of the plant is bent towards the ground and covered with moss of soil. With new roots emerge, the plantlets are separated from the parent plant. This type of tree you will find banyan tree in my area, that is known as Timmamma Marimanu. You will find, if you go through internet, you will find the largest banyan tree. This reason that banyan tree had occupied 7 acres, one of the world's largest tree. I request you guys to check playlist. You can join me on Defense ICTA Telegram. You can share it to your friends, guys. 800 plus question papers have been given. Please go through them. How exactly the playlist had been segregated. Please have a look. You will find really will enjoy this YouTube channel. Next we have the cancer causes due to the uncontrolled cell divisions. We knew that what exactly the reason of the cancer, that automatically causes the uncontrolled the cell division takes place in it. Seasickness, as you can see, it is due to the effect of what? That is the motion of the ship, that directly affects your senses, and automatically whatever the food you have inside the stomach, that comes out by a vomiting. The substance lost from the human body during dehydration is sodium chloride. That is what common salt, which is lost from the human body during the dehydration. That is the reason we take the electrol for the recovery of the dehydration from the dehydration. Green plants evolve oxygen during the day rather than carbon dioxide. This means the rate of photosynthesis is much larger than the rate of respiration. So please remember, guys, green plants evolve oxygen during the day rather than during the night. So because during the night time they don't get the sunlight, and they take maximum oxygen during the night time, and they release during the daytime, that is oxygen. Milk tastes sour when kept in the open for some time due to the formation of what? Lactic acid. We knew that whatever the milk content, it is little bit sour because of this lactic acid. There is a bacterium in that, lactobacillus, which directly converts the milk to curd. Silicon carbide is used as abrasive. You can see to the right side how exactly the silicon carbide is used. This forms natural crystals which are very hard, very abrasive, and dissociate or sublimate at high temperatures. It is for these reasons that silicon carbide is used in the following applications. Abrasive industry with a good hardness, silicon carbide is the first choice of raw material for manufacturing abrasive pipe, pumping chamber, etc. Its abrasiveness is 5 to 20 times than that of cast iron and rubber. This is what exactly you have to remember, where exactly the silicon carbide is used, how it is used. Carbohydrates are stored in the body as starch. Please, whatever the food you take, that once it goes inside, then it is called as starch. So whatever the carbohydrates are used to store in the body as a starch. Fingerprints on paper can be made visible by spraying a solution of, please remember, whatever the fingerprints that is investigated by the investigation team on the paper, that can be made visible if you throw ninhydrin. Ninhydrin is the one which is sprayed on that, then you will easily can be identified the fingerprints of the respective whoever the person. The bucket of water is whirled in a vertical circle fast enough water doesn't fall from the bucket in its highest position because of the centrifugal force is more than the weight of the water. So please remember, this is what exactly the experiment has to be done. Here centrifugal force, you have to go through whatever the centripetal acceleration is equal to, please correct this is because of the centripetal force, not the centrifugal force. So this is what you have to remember. So thus formula directly affects. Next we have a star explodes and throws off a bright outer shell of gas is known as what? That is known as nova. So that is what you have to remember, that is nova. A number of images of a candle flame can be seen in a thick mirror, that is the brightest image is the here whatever the number of images of a candle flame can be seen in a thick mirror, that is brightest image, that is the first one. A car in motion has to overcome forces of rolling friction and air resistance. We knew that whatever the car in motion, that has to overcome the forces of rolling friction and the air resistance, both it has to overcome. The new method to fight malaria that uses special molecules, that is liposomes. That is what the new method to fight malaria that uses special molecules, that is force liposomes. The Central Mining Institute, as you can see how the CSIR, the Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research, which is located at which place? Dhanbad. The Nelson Mandela was released from jail after 27 years on 11th February 1990. He is famous for apartheid, that is racial discrimination against black and white. The two nuclear power units are being constructed in Uttar Pradesh, at which place? At Narora. These two nuclear nuclear plants have been set up. The Operation Desert Storm, which was happened between America and its allied against Iraq. So between these Iraq and America, this operation had been taken place. The seat of International Court of Justice, it is not seat, the headquarters of International Court of Justice is located at which place? That is located at Hague. The Indian appointed as chairman of International Anitwar Organization in 1988 was Rajiv Gandhi was the one who had been appointed as the chairman of International Anitwar Organization in the year 1988. Next, I request you guys to go through my playlist. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me on this mobile number or message me by WhatsApp. You will be given a free of cost. There is no charge upon it. And I hope this will help you a lot. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.